Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here. It's a cross between gray, green, and silver. I did use the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, and I really like these colors, especially the lead color. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it.
So let's get started. I'm using the color Roxanne for my transition color. Then I'm using the color Jada in the crease. And I go in with the previous color to help get rid of any harsh lines. Next is the color Enchanted, and I placed this color on top of Jada, also in the outer V. And of course, I go back with previous brushes and colors to make sure everything blends. Now I'm cutting my crease. And placing the eyeshadow Diva on my lid. I really love this color. I've never seen a color like this before. But I also make sure to blend where Diva and Enchanted meets on the outer V. I'll be back with lashes and liner. Now I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face. Everything will be listed down below. I also forgot to mention I did apply Enchanted to my lower lash line. Of course, I used black eyeliner and some mascara, but that's pretty much it.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.